Hello friends. So we decided last minute that we're gonna take a trip to Indiana Beach. Daddy's going camping, so why not? And look at this. This was one of my grandfather's Indiana Beach shirts. And it fits me, so I'm wearing it. So part of this will just be like the normal going to Indiana Beach video. The other part of it is that I lost my season pass. I have no idea where it is. I have searched everywhere. It's gone. Like, it's gone. I have no idea. So I am just praying that they let me in, because like I don't even have a way to prove that I have it or like that I ever did have it. So I'll be taking you guys along with me on this experience. It's never happened to me before. So come and find out what it's like to get into Indiana Beach and have a season pass replaced, I guess is the word. Okay, we have made it to the park, and I did get an email from Indiana Beach on my way up here that said to go to one of the booths and that there would be a $10 fee. So we're gonna go try it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so easy peasy. You just go to the ticket booth. The one that has the season pass stuff on it is all the way to the left when you're looking at the different ticket booths. And they can look you up by name, all the good stuff. And here we go. Yay! What was that one commercial? Well, that was easy. So now we're in line. Season pass works at the mama. But to transfer the beach bucks that I got on sale to my pass, and to transfer Caroline's pass from the paper to the card. So, yay line! We made it to the door. It's been about 45 minutes, but we're here now. Some of the artwork is up, and look, the haunted house. Okay, so we're back at Earl's for more pizza and breadsticks. And oh my god, this garlic stuff is like, it's heaven. It's the best ever. So Jenny and I just found something amazing at Earl's. This is the best thing you'll ever see. Hold on, show us, Jenny. Come in, get a pizza, a breadstick, the freaking garlic sauce that is giving me life right now, and you can charge your phone. Oh, Earl's has thought of everything. The breadsticks. Where's my hat? Is that I get the curly part? Do you like your taco sign? Yeah. It's taco time. Caroline. You're so pretty. She's driving a car. Looks really cool. It's so cool. Oh, I love this view. It's my favorite. It only has you. There's still not that much gum.
They definitely clean some of them off.
The one time that we clean things that we don't want to be cleaned. Here we are in Endless. Yeah? Yes, my love. Look, I found Dillinator.
We just got here. We decided to come a little late today, but we're going to be here all day tomorrow too. So
yes.
And the fireworks. Are you guys going to be here for the fireworks?
No, we're done. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Have you been here for fireworks? Yeah, we're excited. These are my kids. Ian, Faith, Dan, Weston. This is Weston's first time here. The other three all came last year.
Happy first time.
So yeah, really excited.
What's your favorite thing so far? Yeah.
Well, the only thing he's done is the sky ride so far.
You did the sky ride?
Weston, talk to the camera.
Was it scary?
No.
No? Did you have super, like, a lot of fun?
Yeah.
What are you gonna eat?
Well, I was looking, and I think I saw the whole park.
You think so? I think so, if you were on the sky ride.
Yeah. It's one beautiful park.
Back on the antique cars. Woo! Caroline is driving us.
Whoa.
Say hi, Grandma. Hands on the wheel. I won! I won! I love the horse races. Hey, the rules are simple. You pick one duck. Whatever is on the bottom of it will tell you what kind of prize you get. Don't pick the duck yet. He didn't come back yet. Thank you. Pick a good one. Small. All right, no, put the duck down. You're done. That was oh, you get.
It's illegal. I love you.
Where's my baby? They left. Okay, Carolina. It's your second trip of the season. What was your favorite thing today?
I don't know.
Was it the antique cars? What was your favorite thing you ate today?
I didn't eat anything.
You had an elephant ear, you had some pizza, you had a breadstick.
I also had gone ice cream too.
You had, yeah,
I liked the ice cream.
the ice cream.
Yeah.
And you got strawberry from Utter Sensations. So if you were going to tell somebody what to do on their trip here, what would be something you would think they should do?
If they didn't do it before, I'd say, if they didn't do this one before, and it was the car ride,
The antique cars?
yeah, I would tell them to go on immediately.
Immediately. Look at her. She's going to drop my donut holes. Look at how pretty it is. So beautiful. Nope. Dang it. There it is. I just got home and my Ivy Crow has been decapitated. And my kid is overtired and she's losing her mind. All right, so we had an amazing day at Indiana Beach. It was a lot of fun. The weather was perfect. The kid is so overstimulated. I'm not gonna make it through the night. We had tacos, which were delicious. We had pizza again. I like the convenience of Earl's is just, it's wonderful. It's so wonderful. And like the atmosphere is good. The food is good. Oh my God, that garlic sauce. It's so good. The breadsticks, they're like crazy bread. Yeah, like delicious. So good. So next time I go, I really, and I keep saying this, and well, I've only been there twice this season, but I want to order like a whole pizza, like sausage, mushroom, onions, green peppers, and like a whole pizza. I like that's my goal. Other than that, we did the antique cars for the first time with Caroline. She loved it. We did the train. I swear that thing goes 0 to 60 in like a second. It goes fast. We saw a little bit of the guy that was carving IB out of the tree, which was really cool to see. He was making really quick progress of it. We got to play a few games, and I'm going to say the highlight of my entire trip, aside from like meeting some of you guys, because that is like, that's pretty cool. Do you hear her screaming in the back? Like she's like singing like an operatic singer or something. I don't know. But I think my favorite thing that happened tonight, like the coolest thing, aside again from you guys, is we went into the game barn and all I wanted to do was play the horse races. Like that is legendary. And there was nobody working it. And then there was a gentleman working, and I was like, is anybody working the horse races? And he was like, I've never done it, but I can. I was like, I mean, like, you don't have to, like, if you have a different game you're running or, you know, like, you don't know how, it's fine. And he was like, no, like, I can figure it out. It's fine. And then, like, he came over and he ran the games for us. And it ended up being, there were 4 of us in our party that played. And then there were another 2 people that ended up playing as well. So, and it's $3 a piece, which, like, I know the park brings in big money. So, like, that's not a huge amount. But the willingness of that employee to be happy to go wherever he's needed without a park official asking, he did a great job. I mean, he said, like, I don't do this game, but, like, let's figure it out. Like, that was awesome. And then it did bring some extra income into the park. So, like, it's a win-win for everybody. So I appreciate you. I really do. That was, like, the only thing I wanted to do. And because of the willingness of one employee, I got to. So that's awesome. But yeah, the park was hopping again. I would have liked to have gotten on Loco Sumo, but the line, oh, it's so good to see the lines. But yeah. Also, I have a new recommendation. Go later in the day. Don't, like at Disney, they say rope drop. Don't rope drop. The lines for everything are longer. If you are able to go in to the park later, like if you're staying the night or something, I think by like 4, things had started to kind of like mellow a little bit. There were still lines, there were still a ton of people there, but it wasn't as like chaotic and busy. That's what I would recommend. I really think that we need to get like a hotel room maybe next time or one of these trips. Oh my gosh. And try that. Do you hear her? Now she's a beatbox. We went from opera to beatboxing, and it's late. It's way past our bedtime, but we had a fantastic time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you were somebody that I said hi to today, hi! Thanks for saying hi. We love that so much. And yeah, we'll see you guys real soon. Bye!